Hey everyone and welcome. Today, I'll show you how to check your PayPal account number in PayPal website. Let's get started. First, go to paypal.com and log into your account. Here you will see the more options, but go to help and then search for your account number or PayPal account number. As you can see here in the first results, click the first result and read what it says. It says here that your PayPal account is not identified by your account number or ID. Your account is identified by the email address or the mobile number that you log in with, which means that your PayPal account number is not a number. It is your email or your mobile number. And that is how you check your PayPal account number.